Hello, in this lecture, we will talk about some methods for organizing lists. Sometimes you will want to preserve the original order of your list, but other times you will want to change the original order. Python provides a number of different ways to organize the lists depending on the situation. We can sort a list permanently with the sort method. So the class is a list with 4 items. A class.sort parentheses will sort the class in alphabetical order. So we can print class. Now the order of the items have been changed, and we can never revert to the original order after we called sort method to the class. And you can also sort this list in reverse alphabetical order by passing the argument reverse equals true to the sort method. So the class is original list with 4 items, and class sort with reverse equal to true. So we print a class with the alphabetical order reversely displayed. And again, the order of the original list is permanently changed. And if you want to sort a list temporarily, then you can use the sorted function. The sorted function lets you display your list in a particular order, but doesn't affect the actual order of the list. So the class is a list with 4 items created. Then we can print sorted class. Here, the result will show the alphabetically sorted of the list. But we print class again, can see the original order of the items in the list are not changed. And we can reverse the original order of a list, not alphabetically, just to reverse the order of the list of all items in the list. We can use the reverse method. So the original list is the same with 4 items. Then we can use class reverse. Then we print the class. We'll see the order of the items are reversed. So the Subaru is the first item in the class now, but the BMW is the last one. And note that the reverse method changes the order of a list permanently, but you can revert to the original order anytime by applying reverse again to the same list a second time. And how can we find the length of a list? It's quite easy. You can just find the length of a list by using the len function. So the original list of class has 4 items. So we just use length class. The result will be 4. Please note Python counts the items in a list starting with 1, not 0. This is quite different from indexing from 0. We will show all these commands and statements in Anaconda Spider. So here is the lecture 3, organizing lists. Create a list of cars with 4 elements. Run. Then we use car sort with alphabetical order. Then we print again this list. You can see the Audi is the first item now, BMW second, and Toyota is the last one. and we can use the reverse alphabetical order for the lists. Create again, but we sort with the reverse alphabetical order. Then we print this list again. So now the Toyota is the first item and Audi is the last one. And here we're sorting a list temporarily with the sorted function. Create again this original list. And we print a statement as string, and with the cars shows here is the original list: BMW, Audi, Toyota, Subaru, and we print a sorted of the list. Here is the sorted list. Audi is the first one. Alphabetically, Audi is the first one, BMW then next, then Toyota last one. And we can try with the reverse order sorted. So here is the reverse alphabetical list. Toyota is the first one, Audi is the last one. And then we print again the original one to show. Here is the original list again, because sorted is only temporarily show the results, but the original list has not changed. The order of the original list has not changed. So BMW is still the first one and Subaru the last one. And here we will show how to just reverse the order of the list. Create this list and print. So the original list is BMW, Audi, Toyota, Subaru in this sequence. Then we can use cast reverse function. Then we print again. So now Subaru is the first one, Toyota second one, and BMW is the last one. Reversed compared with the original order. And here we will find the length of the list. Create a list again. Then we run this len cast. The result is 4.